Welcome to the Finance Plus Investment. Today I'll show you how to unlock your FICO score in just a few easy steps. Understanding your FICO score is crucial. It affects your ability to secure loans, get favorable interest rates, and achieve your financial goals. So, let's dive in. First, what exactly is a FICO score? It's a three-digit number ranging from 300 to 850 that represents your creditworthiness. Developed by the Fair Isaac Corporation, it's widely used by lenders to assess the risk of lending you money. A higher score means lower risk, making you more attractive to creditors. So, why is your FICO score important? It impacts loan approvals, interest rates, credit card offers, rental applications, and even employment opportunities. Clearly, keeping a healthy FICO score is essential. Now let's get to the main event. How to find your FICO score. First up, check with your bank or credit union. Many offer free FICO scores to their customers. Log into your online banking portal or contact your bank. For instance, Bank of America provides free FICO scores to eligible cardholders. Next, use credit card issuer services. Many credit card companies provide complimentary FICO scores to their cardholders. Check your monthly statements or log into your account online. You can also visit the FICO website and purchase your score directly. This option gives you access to multiple versions of your score, which can be useful if you're preparing for a specific loan. Another option is to explore credit bureaus like Experian. They sometimes offer free access to your FICO score or include it as part of a subscription service. Additionally, websites like Credit Karma offer free credit scores, though they may provide Vantage scores instead. Always know which score you're viewing since lenders might specifically use FICO scores. Nonprofit credit counselors can also be a valuable resource, providing free credit reports and personalized advice. Understanding the different FICO score versions is also important. FICO Score 8 is the most common, but there are specialized versions like FICO Auto Score and FICO Bank Card Score. Make sure you're viewing the version relevant to your needs. So, what influences your FICO score? Payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit all play a role. To maintain a healthy FICO score, pay your bills on time, keep balances low, limit new credit applications, and monitor your credit reports for accuracy. And remember, common misconceptions can trip you up. Checking your own score doesn't lower it, income isn't factored into your score, and closing unused credit cards might not always help. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in to Finance Plus Investment. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.